Hello everyone, it's day 25. I continue to work on JavaScript fundamentals, specifically conditionals. I did truthy and falsy values, if statements, while, do while, for statements, for in, for of, switch. Learn about the nullish coalescing operator. I hope I'm saying that right. Basically the double question marks, and then Boolean coercion, which is double exclamation marks. Learn what those operators do. Ternary operator, error handling with try, catch, and throw. I worked in the debugger on DevTools and also in VS Code. And then I've worked on my side project for my friend that I'm doing for a private practice. I finished the header, finished the footer. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. I did like a rough draft of the contact page, which I'm not done. I'm going to keep tweaking that till I'm satisfied with it. I changed the font in the header and the button sizes. But yeah, I think I'm going to spend like the next probably 2 or 3 days, maybe like the good part of the week, until that's done. Most likely is to knock that out, get that out of the way. I'm at a good stopping point because I finished the fundamentals of JavaScript. Next will be moving on to objects and OOP and finishing up DOM manipulation. So I just want to get that out the way so I don't have to keep going back and forth. One thing I wanted to speak on though was, I see it all the time. Don't compare yourself to other developers. Like, the one difference between us all is time. Like, time is really the biggest factor. Like, a person who has more time, of course, they're going to have faster progress because they literally just spend more time doing the same thing. Practice makes perfect. That's just how that works. So just because you're not making as much progress as the next person doesn't mean you're a worse developer than they are. It literally may just mean they just have more time than you. Like, if you had enough time, you probably would be just same as them or maybe even better. But yeah, we're all on the same journey and we all come from different knowledge bases. Like, some people are literally starting fresh, like never coded a day in their life. So of course it's going to be a little bit harder than someone else. Me personally, my original major was computer science. So I had a 2-year foundation in computer science fundamentals. Mind you, that was, 2006, 2008, years ago. I know I'm older than I look. But anyway, so for me, it was kind of like getting back on the bike. I just hadn't rode in a really long time. So like, I find myself catching on to things a little bit quicker. But for me, I just have a whole lot of time. Like today I spent 10 hours, 15 minutes, was my walker time. Like, backstory, I'm currently not working. I gave myself the opportunity of time to finally, do what I want to do and learn to code. So I get up and I code, and I pretty much code all day. So I'm making the most of this opportunity. So that's why you see my time so high, because I don't have to worry about going to work and trying to fit coding in. Like, my day is about coding. So that's another reason not to compare yourself to someone else. Like, just, different motivations and everything else. And also, we're all on the same journey. However, the beauty of being a self-taught developer is you have the choice to learn whatever you want, however you want, whenever you want, wherever you want. Like, so many people are just so bent on, this is best, learn this framework, learn that. Like, just stop it. Like, people want to learn something, that they're going to learn it. Like, the thing about this journey is you have to find what works for you. Like, just because someone likes something, they say it's great, it could be the best thing ever, it's best for them and them only. And other people need to understand this. It's good for you, but that doesn't mean it's going to be good for the next person. A lot of people, especially if they're new on this journey, they're looking to like, what roadmap should I take? Where do I start? You keep listening to everyone, you'll never start. Seriously, like, I know me personally, when I got back on this journey, I probably wasted a week or two Googling what's the best thing to use. Should I use FreeCodeCamp? Should I use the Odin project? And like, it was just a waste of time. I didn't accomplish anything but Google or whatever. And like, at the end of the day, it's not an answer that can be found. Like, you just have to figure out what's best for you. The best thing you can do is learn how you learn. Once you find out how you learn, then narrow it down to what you want to be. What's your end goal? Do you want to be a back end, full stack, front end, maybe HTML emails? Like, find specifically what it is that you want to do And then go look at job descriptions and see what skills are needed. What tech stacks do they need? All right. Then that kind of gives you an end goal. So, all right, I'm here and I'm trying to get there, and fill in the blanks. And whatever method is best is the one that you'll be consistent with, the one that you'll spend enough time on every day. You could have the best course according to so-and-so on Twitter, Instagram, whatever, but if you don't do it every day, it's not really going to be of any use to you. So the best thing you can do is find out what you want to do, how you learn, be consistent, and most importantly, just have fun. Like, have fun with it. If like you put so much pressure on yourself to be as good as the next person, learn this and learn that, like you'll take the fun out of it, and that's how you get burnt out. So first and foremost, just make sure that you have fun with it. And yeah, day 25.